So early Jailbreak is definitely go, and if we look up here, the moon is still there. It's early. I want to be back in bed, but let's do it. So we finally got Lucy. There we go, and we're on our way. Let's do it. So we're here at the start. Look at everyone around, ready to go. We're like 15 minutes in and there's a group that's already got a lift. Unbelievable scene.
We're meeting to Scotland!
Wait! I think we're going to Edinburgh. It's bloody freezing round here. It really is cold. Right, so we're in Trannon somewhere, which is in East Lothian in Scotland. Check out that view, you can see the sea, it's bloody cold. Right, so here's some quality hiking in action. Check it out, we are trying to get to Edinburgh Airport. So we're still currently in Edinburgh Airport. We're trying to phone some airlines to see what's going on, but it's not looking good at the moment. We're now just in the streets of Edinburgh. We're trying to find the bus station. It's pouring with rain. Hopefully we can get an overnight bus which will head us down south. We're in Edinburgh. Bloody soaked, freezing cold. But look at this.
It is so pretty!
So we found Winter Wonderland. We know where we're spending our evening if we get nowhere now. So we're now at Edinburgh Waverley Station. We're kind of just waiting for this Manchester train to see if we can blag our way on. If not, I don't know what we're Ready are you for day 2?
Oh, ready!
We're ready. We were born ready. Right, so it's just gone 7 o'clock and we're making, I think, a 1.5 hour walk to get to the bypass road in Edinburgh so we can get a lift. So we are now halfway towards the ring road. Spirits are still relatively high. Keeping getting it. So we actually got a lift from Graham Norton listener who heard our shout out yesterday on Radio 2. So we're at the bypass, no luck so far. So after Goddess Gale took us into her home, fed us eggs and bacon, we're back out on the road and we're trying to get a lift. We are trying to get to say Manchester or Wales today, but frankly if we just got out of Edinburgh, it would be bloody amazing. I love it, but like, get me out of here. Right, so we're in some random Scottish village, but we've got iron brews, so this is gonna make it fun. The tea, Tom. Oh, that is absolute fun. Here we go. Thoughts?
That's nice!
You like
I
it?
actually like it!
Ah, strange. Tea, Lucy Burrows. What did that taste like? In effort by Lucy. Here we go, Ellie. It's your bottle. There you go. It was all going really well, and then Jordan, our driver, managed to get to the car, hit a Willian-esque free kick of a stone, and now we've got a completely cracked window, and you can hear it cracking, and we're going to try and tape it up and go, otherwise we're a bit screwed. So Jordan has dropped us off and we are at Winchester Station waiting for the Southampton train. It is coming fairly soon. We should be underway. Massive shout out to Beard for getting us onto this train. We love you, Blaze. Thank you so much for your help here. So now we're pretty madly walking through the streets of Southampton. Woohoo! Gonna try and find the key and hopefully get on this boat to the Isle of Wight. I don't know how. So we've made it to the ferry terminal and look where we're going. Here we go.
Evening.
Good. Fantastic. Right, so this is what I'm calling again. How many rice cakes can you fit in your mouth? They're quite big. Oh. Hang on, let's try. What is that?
My mouth's not wide enough. It's big enough.
Ellie, that's a bite.
Oh.
What?